Hi, welcome to this energy recovery practice. I recommend that you start by sitting on the floor cross-legged with your spine straight, or you can be sitting in a chair with your feet firmly on the floor. The most important thing is that you are comfortable and you have a straight spine. I also recommend that you are in a quiet place, preferably alone, because that is going to help you tune more deeply into your own energy. So whilst I share a bit about the practice, just focus on your breathing. Nice deep inhale and exhale, and just starting to slow down and feel your body from the inside. So as human beings, we have a physical, emotional, energetic, and mental aspects to ourselves. And with our energetic body, it needs nourishment as much as our physical body. When we go to an event or a festival and we are around many people, we lose tiny parts of our energy and we take on energy from other people. So that's why sometimes after a big event or a festival, we can feel a little bit low in energy or confused. And also after traveling long distances very quickly, like being on an aeroplane, we lose a lot of our energetic aura, and we have to build that when we get to the other end. So this practice is really simple and really effective. What we're going to be doing is putting our attention on our energetic center, which is called the hara, and this is just below your belly button. If you touch your belly button now, it's 2 fingers width below. So touch in that area and just start to breathe into this area, your energetic center, your hara. Tuning into this center to see how it feels. So on a spectrum from full to empty, where would you gauge your center to be right now? And on a spectrum from dull to bright, where would you gauge your energy center to be in this moment? Just breathing into it, whatever you can feel. And as you put your attention here, I want you to feel that this center is a natural magnet for your personal frequency of energy. And wherever you are, exhale at the moment. And then inhale and imagine the center attracting in your energy. And when you exhale, imagine the center letting go of energy that's not yours. Inhale, attracting in energy. Exhale, letting go of energy that's not yours. So continue this breathing at your own rate, and each time you breathe in, really feeling this center as a magnet for your unique energy frequency. Whatever happened during the day, you are calling back your energy into yourself now. And every time you exhale, really letting go of the stuff that's not yours. You do not need to go into any stories. You're just working with energy. When we put our attention on different parts of our body, we activate them. So this simple act of having your attention on your hara is enough to make it magnetic to your own energy frequency. There is nothing else you need to do. Just keep your attention on the hara and imagine it being a magnet, effortlessly attracting in your unique energetic frequency. The more that you breathe into this area and the more energy you attract back, the magnetic properties of it become stronger and stronger at effortlessly pulling back your energy in. So really feel each inhale. All of your scattered energy is coming back to you now in one place, recharging you. You're feeling more complete, more full, more light, and more bright. It feels really good to be attracting in all your energy. And remember, when you exhale, just really releasing what doesn't belong to you. Feel yourself relaxing as you let go of other people's energies. You feel lighter and brighter. You're just coming back to your unique energetic frequency. And this is where you're in your power. Really enjoying each inhale and exhale. Breathing in and attracting your energy in, and exhaling and letting go of other energies. This is a really simple but profound practice. Energy is more about how we use it than how much we have. It's about conserving our energy rather than overusing it. So this simple but profound technique is a really amazing way to recharge yourself, because when we are in our own energetic vibration, that is when we're in our power, where we feel lighter and have more energy. We're better able to make decisions that feel aligned with us. And this is a simple practice that after some time, when you feel comfortable, you really can do anywhere. I just suggested you did it by yourself in the beginning so you can really attune to your own energy. So you can continue to do this practice as long as it feels good for you and that you are feeling really recharged in your energetic center. So take as much time as you need, or if you feel that you've done enough work now, that's up to you. And I wish you a beautiful, energetic, rich, fulfilled day.